Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from DMLT D Pharma Department, RPIT campus, Bastada. In today's class, I discuss about the oral health consideration. Patients who experience GERD, complaints of the dysgeusia, foul taste, dental sensitivity related to hot or cold stimuli, dental erosions and or the pulpitis. Dental thermal sensitivity is the generally due to the erosions of the animal by gastric acid. If the erosion is severe, irreversible pulpal nerve damage may result that require the root canal therapy. Dental management should provide the topical fluoride applications using the custom made occlusive tray delivery in order to ensure optimal dental mineralizations and reductions of thermal sensitivity. The dentist can restore tooth structure destroyed by the gastric acid in order to provide comfort and aesthetics and to minimize the further hard tissue damage. Next, the medical therapy can affect the dental management of patient with GERD in a number of ways. Patient taking the cimetidine, tegament or other H2 receptor antagonist may experience a toxic reaction to lidocaine or other amide local anesthetics if the anesthetic is injected intravascularly. Soft tissues change such as the esophageal structure and the fibrosis may complicate intubation if the patient requires general anesthesia for an oral maxillofacial procedure. Next is the arrhythmia and the mucosal atrophy may be present as a result of the chronic exposure of tissue to acid. Mild sodium bicarbonate rinse may again be useful if mild signs of stomatitis are the present. Hiatal hernia. The esophagus passes through the diaphragmatic hiatus and into the stomach just inferior to the diaphragm. The hiatus causes an anatomic narrowing of the opening into the stomach and thus help the prevent reflux of stomach contents into the esophagus. Some patients have a weakened or enlarged hiatus perhaps due to the hereditary factor. It may also be caused by obesity, exercising, weight lifting. When a weakened or enlarged hiatus occur, a portion of the stomach herniate into the chest cavity through this enlarged hole resulting in a hiatal hernia. Signs and symptoms: chest pain which may radiate into patterns similar to those of the myocardial infarctions. Pain. Infant with the hiatal hernia usually regurgitate blood food and may also have the difficulty in breathing and swallowing. Adult patients may experience chronic acid reflux into the esophagus. Chronic esophageal inflammations may produce the scarring resulting in the esophageal narrowing. This narrowing causes the dysphagia and heartburn is exacerbated when bending forward or laying down. In today's class, I discuss about the hiatal hernia and oral health consideration. Thank you for watching.